Hi all, welcome to another session. Today we will see two important features. How to use Google Form for multiple classes and also how to share the Google Form between the teachers. So first let's do scenario 1. Assuming I am taking two different sections of a class, then how I can copy the Google Form. So here I have a sample form created. This I created for grade 9. So let's say I am taking 9A and 9B both. So I'll change this form for 9A. So I'll add it 9A in the form name, and also I'll go on top here and I'll change in the folder name also. So now with this I have form for 9A. Now I have to create it for 9B. So I'll go on top right corner here. After the send button you see three dots, click on it, and then you have a second option, make a copy. So it will copy the complete form for you, and if you see by default it is giving name copy of your original name of the form. So you just remove the copy of, and I'll change instead of 9A to 9B, and I'll say OK. So with this, if you see on top, it created a new folder for 9B, and also it is giving me a warning because the form which I used is for file upload. It has questions related to file upload which in the backend needs some folders which will not be created automatically, but you have to just click on restore. When you click on the restore, it will create a copy of those folders which are internally needed by Google for 9B as well. That's all, nothing else you have to do. You have to change the name here from 9A to 9B. That's it. Now let's go back to our Google Form home. Here if I click on Forms home, and here if I see, now I have two different forms, one for 9A and one for 9B. This is how I can make as many copy as I want for each section. Now another scenario, let's say there is a 9C as well, but that is being taken by some other teacher. So how I can share the same form with other teachers so that it's common or it's same across all the sections. So I'll take one of the form here. Let's say I'm taking 9A. Now 9C is being taken by some other teacher, so I have to share this form with that teacher. So I'll go again to the same place here, and I'm going to click on these three dots, and instead of this option this time I'll select this add collaborators. In this, by default, this editors option will be open here, and here we are going to add the Gmail ID of second teacher with whom we want to share it. So I'm going to type the Gmail ID here. Say this is the sample Gmail ID. This is the second teacher with whom I want to share this form. I can give a sample message also. Let's say sample form for you. Okay, and then I'll just say send. So with that, as a first person I am done, and if you see here it is showing person added. Now on the second person, the second teacher, he will receive a notification like this in his Gmail ID that some teacher has shared a form with him. So what second teacher will do, he will go to this form, to this email, he will click here so that it can open this form. Now he can see the form of 9A because you have created this form for him or you have shared your form with him. Now what the second teacher will do, he will go to the same place, three dots, and make a copy, and in this copy he will rename it to, let's say, 9C, and I'll say okay. So it created a copy. It's showing here as 9C. And again it is showing the same error. So here what we are going to click, we are going to click on the restore. So the same problem, that folders are missing, so it created the folders, and now I'll just change the name here, and that's it, done. So if the second teacher go to his Google Form home, the second teacher will now see two forms, 9A which you shared, and he make a copy of it on 9C. Now the same form is used across all the sections, 9A, 9B and 9C. I hope this will be helpful for you. If you want, once he has already copied, now if you want, you can remove his access from 9A, so that the answer key, when kids are submitting, it's only visible to the first teacher only and not to the second teacher. Right now both the teacher have access to 9A, so obviously both can see what kids are submitting. If you want to remove it, you have to go back to the first teacher, and the first teacher in 9A form, he will go back to these three dots, go back to add collaborators, and from here in editors I can just remove this. Okay, why are you stuck here? Okay, here, from here you just remove this option, and then you say save. So once I saved it here, now I have removed the person. It shows person removed, and if I go to the second teacher, you see the 9A has been removed. Now the second teacher has only 9C form. So that's how you can allow others to make a copy of your form and use it. Thank you.